Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Gighound app review. Good gig app. Gighound is a gig and shift work platform primarily available in Canada, designed to offer flexible temporary jobs within fast pay, often with 24 hours. Users can pick up short-term shifts like warehousing, cleaning, or other tasks, upload required documents such as a photo ID and eligibility proof, clock in and clock out via the app, and get paid once their hours are verified. The platform also uses a ranking system, so your performance also can affect the shifts and pay you receive. Among the pros, Gighound delivers quick payments, flexible scheduling, clear safety policies, and a reputable online presence, making it appealing for those seeking side income or flexible hours. On the flip side, users report inconsistent shift availability, occasional payment delays, and slow customer support. Overall, Gighound is a legitimate option for flexible work, especially in urban or high demand areas, though results may vary depending on location and shift availability. For more information, you can explore the official Gighound website or download the app. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.